Hey guys, I'm out here on my screen porch. I'm just doing a little bit of vlogging. I recently gave this screen porch a makeover and I really want to take you along and show you how it looks now. Why don't you come along for the tour? When we first moved into our house, we were thrilled to have a screen porch, but unfortunately we'd blown all our money on the house and didn't have a lot of money for furniture. Fast forward about a year and I started collecting items from the trash and thrift stores, which I pretty much made over with some paint. But the one thing that I always wanted to paint was the ceiling of the screen porch. It was brown and really I wanted it to be light blue. The other thing was that the furniture that I had made over just didn't provide a lot of seating, and I wanted to add some more seating to the screen porch. So I finally went ahead and sold the old furniture that I painted and bought some new furniture, and I paid to have someone paint the ceiling. So here's the tour, guys. Ceiling fan is the Camille Bay fan by Hunter, and there is a tutorial on my blog for how to replace a ceiling fan. I'll go ahead and link to it in the description below. When we had the screen porch painted, I had to go ahead and take down all the screens so that the painters could get the outside. And when we went to put the screens back, I decided that I wanted to go ahead and replace them with these amazing screens that pretty much disappear. They're called Better View, and I'll link to them in the description below. Likewise, if you see anything else on the porch that you like, I will go ahead and add the sources in the description below on YouTube. This little plant stand used to be a dry sink, and I got it for super cheap and gave it a makeover with paint. There is a tutorial and I will put a link below. That wraps up the screen porch tour. I hope you liked it, and I hope you guys come back soon for more DIY tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to click that like button below if you liked it. And hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button up there, and you'll never miss another DIY video tutorial from Pretty Handy Girl again. Speaking of not missing anything, I'm on all these social channels. Come find me at Pretty Handy Girl.